Okay, so sometimes I have to do video content to remind myself of the things that I'm doing outside because I'll get distracted with something on the inside. I need to finish tarping this area. At some point, I do want to split these. Finish putting the hedge around. Ooh, I need that little wheel for the water hose. I also want some type of netting. I have to plant this stuff here. And then my basil, I just need to get another that actually has drainage. All right, so let's clean up my yard here. Trim up my bushes. I just went to Home Depot and purchased 6 bags of mulch. Plant some stuff before I leave out for my session. Let's go out to the back. And I was right in Home Depot and I forgot to get the other stakes. What type of grass is this over here? Because I was gonna buy some grass from Home Depot to put around the hammock, put around the tree, I should say. I don't know what that is. I wonder if I can replant it. I'm just gonna clean my yard. My yard looks really bad. But also the front of my yard. All of that needs to be cut down. Put some mulch back up in there. Yeah. And I'm planning on cutting this tree back to cut it down to maybe about this height. Okay, let me get started here. Oh my gosh, let's look at that. Cleaned out all the weed, moved this tiger lily and that one. Fresh haircut. Yes, fresh haircut for my bushes. And some nice fresh mulch. Okay. Same over here. I really went in back. Alright, so I am ready to get this up this morning. I bought some new planters from Home Depot. The strawberries. Alright, so this is where I'm at. I put a post here. I tried to get them as low as I can with this piece in the ground or close as I can, ground level. Easy access to be able to get to turn on my water, and then also access just the plants in general and my recyclables. So this should go without saying. Make sure you use some really good gloves that have a good protective barrier for your hands. When I first put these up last week, I think I was using a pair of gloves that weren't as protective. Went to go like wash my hands and I had like little scratches and cuts in my hand. Just I was doing a lot of pulling and turning here to get them in the ground. I started hammering the tops here, and you could kind of see, like this is one from last week. You can see how kind of flat it is, so it makes like a little edge there, like a sharp edge. That I know it gets really easy sometimes, because sometimes I'll come home from work, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna pick a couple of weeds, move this right here, and next thing you know, I'm full on gardening and like really in this stuff. And one day I came home here, I had them white khakis, and my daughter was like, Mom, why are you out here? It's a habit. We come out and we just start doing the thing. You know, we want to take pictures, we see a weed, we want to pull up a weed, we want to fix a fence, we want to do all those little things. So just to make sure that you are protecting yourself each time that you go out. I give this just a little bit more because I was trying to make sure I have enough to wrap around, fill up this little area here, because that would just give them free entry. I do have enough room to give that side a little bit more.
Michael? That's the same thing?
Yeah, sometimes it could be the Sims. Okay, that finished the way it's looking.
Okay, it looks nice.
Yeah, so I want to do a gate, but I have to figure it out how to do a gate, and then the faucet right there with the water hose.
Oh, like pulling it out.
And getting back there to turn it on when I need it on.